You mentioned you see life as a video game. If life is a video game, which video game hero are you?
That's a good question. I play now, I guess in the last 10 years or so, there's only two types of games I play. First-person shooters, which you're just an avatar, that it doesn't really matter who you are. You're on a mission, and most likely if it's a first-person shooter, is go kill somebody and not get killed. And so the character doesn't matter as much. But the other type of game I play is real-time strategy, like Skyrim. And I haven't played that in a number of years, but then I'm the person who has the strengths of a human, who can cast some spells and sneak around like a thief. That's who I am. I'm trying to be that hybrid where I'm not trying to be all in on one skill set. I've got a diverse set of skills because I like to be able to like shout a word and have a dragon fall over.
I like
we
that.
We went deep on Nerdville there, everybody. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So watch your back. Chris is like lurking in the shadows.
I am. I'm learning how to pick locks, and it's so fun.
I like that. That's
on the video game.
That's good. That's good. Another, I'm getting way off topic here. Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.